Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine lipstick. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need 1/4 cup of red wine, 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets, and 1 teaspoon of shea butter. Also, have a small saucepan, a stirring spoon, and a clean lipstick container or small jar ready. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, we'll reduce the wine. Pour 1/4 cup of red wine into your small saucepan. Heat it over low to medium heat, stirring occasionally until it reduces to a thick, syrupy consistency. This step is crucial for achieving a rich color and ensuring the lipstick has a pleasant wine scent. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, it's time to combine the ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets and 1 teaspoon of shea butter to your reduced wine in the saucepan. Continue heating gently over low heat, stirring constantly until everything is completely melted and smoothly combined. This ensures a consistent texture for your lipstick. Be patient and keep the heat low to avoid scorching. Finally, we'll pour and set the lipstick. Carefully transfer the warm liquid mixture into your clean lipstick container or small jar. Let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours until it solidifies. For a quicker set, you can place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Once firm, your beautiful, homemade wine lipstick is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.